Hello world! Welcome to Lisa Does. I'm Lisa, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple booklet. All you will need for this project is some scissors, some string of any kind. This is just some crochet string that I bought at an estate sale. Some paper, this is regular copy paper, and if you like, some sort of cardboard or cardstock the same size as your paper. First thing we need to do is find the center of our paper, and we can do that by folding it. Now if you have a bone folder, you can use that, or you can use the handle of your scissors. And you can fold your cardstock in half. This is just regular old cardstock that you would buy at the craft store. And we'll just use the handle of our scissors to get that all nice and flat. And then we will take our darning needle and punch it through. You may have to do this one at a time in order to avoid a disaster. There we go. As you can see, whoops, maybe you can't. As you can see, it's gone all the way through. You notice I didn't measure from top to bottom. It is not essential, but if you like, you can use a ruler to do that. And measure out about 3 lengths. Measure out some yarn about 3 times the length of your book spine. Cut it off and thread it if you can. Now before you get all jealous about my manicure, know that you too can have a manicure like this if you play in craft supplies and wash your hands 100 times a day. So I might do a tutorial on my manicure, but I'm not sure. You bring your thread through from the center to the back, and then you wrap it around all the way around, up from the bottom, over the top, through the back. We still have a nice tail here, and then we bring it through this hole again. And pull it on through so that we have one end of the string on one side of our wrap and the other end of the string on the other. Then you can unthread your needle tie this guy and tie it again. And this is the easiest book you will ever bind. Unless you're using staples. That's easier. But here you go. I find that this type of binding works best if you use papers that are all the same height. You can change the width of them, but they should all be the same height because there's no extra stitching to keep them in either way. And this is a nice book for just doing some sketches or anything. I think I have 4 sheets of plain paper and 1 sheet of cardstock, but you can put more in there. But it's a nice quick little sketchbook and you can take that anywhere. And that is all. Later on, we can work on filling this guy up and making it into something special. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.